the tail light.
And just in here we have two black screws, so they just undo. Finger tight, the two black. So they just undo, and then the whole assembly, the light just pulls out. One of the easiest things I've actually had to work on. So the clip on the light has one at the front and one at the back. So unclip the two clips, two black clips in the middle, and then wiggle out. I had to use a bit of a screwdriver or a chisel to wiggle it out safely, and then you just got to clip them back in. So basically you've got these two clips here and clip here, two clips here, so four all up, and they've just got a clip in, and then it's seated into your globe.